Hello everyone, hello all comrades. My name is Muhammad Hussein Maulana. I'm a General Secretary of Serbuk Indonesia, or you can say the Federation of People Union in Indonesia. We are established since 2013 and we are representing for some sectors that are construction and building materials and wood and forestry and also electricity for supply chains and other sectors that relate with the mind of our sector in that organizing activity. So we are very serious for struggle to the worker rights. Yes, the mind of our demand is fire OSH and then decent work and living wages because as you know the construction or building materials is a very precarious sectors in Indonesia and the big working accidents was happen in the construction and the highest working accident in Indonesia. We fight for climate justice and then just transition or improvement of technology in the artificial intelligence and also participation of women and youth and the increasing for union density rate in Indonesia. Many people said about we need to change the industry from bad industry or fossil industry to be a green energy, green industry. Our members, for example, in the construction site, we have a big numbers in the construction workers are very affected with the global warming. They work in the field with the hottest situation and the safety equipment is very weak. Many people got bad impact from the global warming or damaged environment that's caused by capitalism or a big industry and not responsible with the society, with the environment. And in the Indonesian context, we have many forests, trees, and giving high oxygen impact to the world. When we talk about just transition, we talk about the changing situation. So in our point or our concerns, don't leave the workers. Or like a SDGs principle, no one left behind. We very critical things about the ownership and who get the beneficial things from the ownership of the factory, of the distribution process, because when the beneficial things is not for people, it's a big problem. We have members in electricity supply chains. So our members, they got the cutting wages from the sub company of state electricity company, and they say the cutting wages is normal, is effect from industry, and because of that, we are investigating about the real situation, and we found that the sub company did corruption, did the fraud about the cutting wages reason, and then we did strike to the state electricity ownership or state electricity company for 1 day, and then the effect from the strike, the main company or state electricity company changed the sub company because sub company is corrupt, and then our members in electricity supply chains work with the new sub company, and the new sub company didn't cutting wages more. We got the justice finally. It's about the mobilization. It's about the capacity for strike. It's about the awareness for fight injustice. We collaborating with some confederation and also labor party in Indonesia. We sit together and made some decisions. The first one, we need to ratificate Convention ILO number 190 about the gender-based violence. And then in our practice in the field, in our membership in the society, we need to improve about the gender awareness and also improving labor unity. It's not only about the workers and workers, that's workers, farmers, students, and many groups. When we talk about the global production system and climate change, is very important because we need to internationally principle, in my opinion. For example, we did solidarity for Germany construction workers when they need to increase their wages. So we send a letter, we send the photo and videos for solidarity to them. And also when the Korean workers and Panamanian workers got the criminalization from the government and Serbuk experience, we did a demonstration with the other federation in the front of South Korea embassy in Indonesia. And also we sent a letter to Panama government to stop the criminalization. We also did solidarity action for Myanmar, for Palestinian people, because the trade union must be lead of many issues that happen in the world, and it's a very important beside the international principle of workers, that is economic situation, social situation, cultural situation. We need to aware with any operation in this area. Our hope for international community will do to support our fight for climate and social justice. It's very important to workers, for this case, increase their awareness about the international principle, because the workers across the world actually is connected to each other. We need to share about the successful organizing and campaign from each other, and then did collaboration action, sharing research, and also redefining about the inclusive trade unions. For the international community, it's very important to still connect to each other, and also build the power and strengthening about the unions in any areas to open the mindset to get the big impact for the struggle for the peace and for the freedom.